Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today. Okay, this is February 1st. We're one day into a new season. They go every 15 days or so. And the one thing I noticed was that towards the closer to the end of the season you get, the rentals go up because people are starting to see what they need to get where they want to be. And then immediately after the season ends and it starts a new one, they plummet, and they're starting to go back up already after 24 hours. So that seems to be a pattern. After this is just my second season, because I've only been doing this for about 3 weeks. So today's video, I'm going to show you, like I do on every one, is how am I making money on Splinterland. And the strategy that I've got is to build it through rentals. I rent my cards out to other players, and I get paid in dark energy crystals, and I use that money to reinvest. But since I'm doing a video, I'm going to go ahead and purchase one pack a day while they have them. They're almost out. They're halfway through the 15 million distribution. And once those are out, then the only place you'll be able to get them is on the secondary market, which I might check into that. Sometimes you can get them cheaper. So that will be the only money that I'm investing. I've bought in about 44 packs, I think, and the $10 fee to get into the platform to make money, it's called the spell book. I'm about $200, and it's going to add as I do the $4 a day, but that's for part of the video too. People like to watch other people open packs. Now, the best card I've ever pulled out of a pack was a gold card, and I'll show you what it looks like. But it's a $100 card. It's a gold legendary, and there he is right there. And he's going for $92 right now. I got him rented out. But here's what is: there's only one, two, three, four, five people selling for the $100, and then it jumps up to 1,800. There's only 452 in circulation, so nobody is wanting to sell this. So I think this is a really good pull. It will just go up in value as the days go on. But I pulled that out of a pack. That's the best one. Now, let's go back to this. I did my 5. Every day you get a quest. I did my 5 battles. I won them. I lost some in between, but I get a chest every day that I complete it. And that can have anything from credits, DCs, potions, to a card. So let's see what I got today. And hopefully we see it today. All right, come on. There it is. Here we go. And I got 4 credits. And as that adds up, you can use it to buy packs or cards or potions or anything like that. So now let's go to the store. And yeah, I've bought in 44 packs times 4, so that's 4 times 4 is 160. Yes, I'm a little bit under $200 on my investment, and I'll show you what I've been able to make it worth in 3 weeks. My goal is by the end of the year 10,000, even more if possible. Okay, so let's pay with credits. Yes. Okay, this is the pack. And I think I have some potions that I won from the last day or so. I got 1. Or no, I got 2. Now what this does is it increases the chance you're going to get a legendary card, except for the Alpha and Claudius cases, but this is a Chaos, so it doesn't matter. So then you just take this and you put it in here, and it's going to open it up. And there's 5 cards per pack. All right, card one is something. It's a rare celestial harpy. Nice. That's the sneak attack means he can attack from any place in the line. That's a good one to have. That's 2 sneak attacks. Now I've got extra of these, so I'm going to combine them and I'll make them more powerful. So not the greatest of packs, but good enough. This something probably go up in value over time, and as these get combined, these will go up in value. So you'll eventually get your money back. But of course, you're shooting for the gold cards, the legendary cards. Epic is nice. So that's the pack for the day. So let's go back to the shop. And you can see, yeah, I opened up 45 packs now. So I'll do one every day. If you're interested in that, you can come watch. Now, every day I get an airdrop for the, that's why this is at 0. This is Splinterlands shards. And it is currently at the price. It's down half price from what it was, like everything, because the market's crashed and it's not loading for some reason. But it's right around 12 cents. And every day right now for a year, at 11 o'clock Eastern time, they're dropping, and I'm getting about 6 shards a day, which is about 30 to 40 cents. But then I don't know why that's not loading. So I can't claim, oh, they're doing a snapshot in progress, and they're doing that early. They usually don't do that till 11 o'clock. But that's fine. Okay, so when we come back, I'll be able to claim anything. But so this is in addition to what my value of my card collection is. Remember, those cards are NFTs, and you can buy, sell, rent. But these shards, when it dropped, so it's going to be about $40 value when it goes back up to its original price at 24 cents, and it's doing about 40% interest on the staking. That's what I'm doing. I'm staking it. So there's another way to make money. So let's go to the market. There's so many people out there with videos on how to play it, the battles, strategy, the best car. Go check them out. What I'm doing is I'm doing the affiliate marketed program. And so I'm hoping you watch this. And if you decide to join, please go down to my link below. You can join for free, play for free. But if you want to open up the money making aspect of it, you got to purchase the $10 spell book. I get 5% of that, so it's 50 cents. And then any packs you buy get 5%. So it's not a lot of money. And it comes out of their pocket, not yours. So no matter who you join up through, it'd just be helping me if you appreciate what I show you. And I signed up 2 people yesterday. And the one didn't do anything. This one just did a battle. He had 5, so showing a little bit of interest. But I got really nobody who's signing up kinds of sticks around. But I'm looking for the people who realize what they got here, and that's why I'm making these videos, because I can show you. So here's what I've been able to do in a little over 3 weeks. Let's go to Peak Monsters. This helps you give a snapshot of your account and keeps it all in order for you, and really does all the math for you. Helps you with the rentals. You can see what because sometimes rentals go up every minute. So you can cancel a rental. If say the price shoots up on the rental, you can cancel it and in 24 hours put it on at the new price. If it's a better price. I don't know because it's snapshot, but I might not be able to show you this. And yeah, I didn't. Usually they don't do the snapshot till 11. They're doing it an hour early, unless my clock is off, which it's not. So I can't show you that, but it's right about between $550 and $600. Okay, and that's what I'm getting in DEC a day from all my rentals. And no, it is showing it. Okay, good. So here we go. We got, yeah, right now the price has dropped. I'm at $547. So on a $200 investment, I've almost tripled my money value wise. I mean, I could sell all these and then cash out, and I tripled my money. So I'm shooting for 10,000 by the end of the year. Right now, I got a rate of return of 23.52% on the rentals, and this number goes higher toward the end of the season because people realize what they need. And um, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much other than that, what I just showed you is the amount of time that I spend a day on this. That's it. Then I come back and do a 30-second battle every now and then. But the longest thing is doing the quest. That can take about 5 to 10 minutes. So this is a passive income earning platform that you can literally spend less than 20 minutes a day on. You can spend more. Now, if I can get to bronze 2, I'm currently bronze 3, but I keep going back and forth. I haven't built up my power level to where I'm strong enough to punch through. If you win those battles, you get paid DEC. So you can make money by the battles, not just the quest. But I haven't been able to get there yet. And with the capture rate, you can only play so much. Let me go right there. It's 72. Um, Once it gets to 0, you can't play until it's 1% per hour. And if I was to win right now, if I was in the position to win DC, I'd only win 72% of my allowable DC. So say it's 10 DC, I would only get 7. So you want to keep this as close to 100% as possible. So that's it. Let's see if I can do it. You can follow me. Please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. And the links are down below if you want to join, along with all the other sites that I make money from. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.